What's up, YouTube? I'm back for the day's trading. I made about 8% today. Had a loss for the first time of the week. First trade was on Euro CAD. Should I have lost this trade? No, 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 not at all. Got in at 99, so right around in here. Should have been a sale day. What you see it was, but because of the bank crash, the market has been super manipulated. So I got in at 99. It put me up a little over 10 pips. And yeah, I got in around 2 o'clock. And right here at 3:15, I don't know what this was, but this was like a 20 pip move all the way back up. And then it did this, what it's been doing to me all week, where this is patience, where it just played around. And when it came back up out somewhere in here, yeah, I just cut it for a small loss. And yeah, as you see, that happened afterwards. So I was highly upset. So I lost $6.57. But I came back for London, New York session, my fault. New York session had another sale. Waited till after there was a lot of news at 8:30, so waited for the 9:30 news. You see my fib there, it should have been a sale day. So I got in at 40, right at the bottom of this. Sometimes when I get my sell entries, the one I always wanted to be at least 50% of the dealing range is my minimum entry. Got in at 40, which is above my 50%. More wanted here, but it kept, it got there, but if anybody's traded before, you know, MetaTrader and TradingView are like a pip off. So I went on and took the 40 entry, which was, I'm sorry, I'm moving too fast. 40 entry was here. And this is where it put me up around almost 10 pips. And it did the same thing to me. Like I said, because of this bank crap, yeah, it's just been running. Came back down. I'm like, all right, finally. This was my take profit, my first take profit. And as you see, just turned around and went flying all the way back up here for no reason. But I've seen what's been going on all week. This was my stop loss, but I moved it here. Normally, I don't like moving stop losses, but because how the market's been acting all week with this bank shutdowns, they just been, instead of going to the obvious level, which would have been to take the liquidity under here, and then I wanted it to go, I switched to a higher time frame, 15. Hour. So this was my overall take profit, this white line down here. Yeah, you see it looks all, I don't know, oh, my computer's about to die. This was my overall take profit here at 86, where I thought it would get to and go under this and take the liquidity under here. But as we see, that did not happen. So, bullshit. I can't cuss on YouTube. It played around with me for about 2 hours, finally came down and got to where my first take profit was, set my stop loss around 24. And as you see, it came up and knocked me out. Then it did all that. So for the day, I'm up about 8%. These were the two trades. I made $15.30 on the last trade, but because of that loss, yeah, and I'm up 38% on this account so far, on my $100 account. All right, on to tomorrow. Thursdays I'll be a little more cautious. They're usually reversal days, so we'll see what happens. See if I decide to trade, or I might call it a week, because technically I already did the impossible and I'm up 38%. So till next time, YouTube.